This is one way without confrontation to enter the Tenkan Wasa exercise. Kanina napanood nyo to. Kaya yung gagawin uli namin. Epon! Ready? Entering without disturbing. Hey! 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 Okay. Yung kanina napanood nyo, but this time we do it with partners. Ready? Oh! Dali! Ready? Ready! Okay, entering. Other side. Go back. Change footwork. Hey! That's how to enter a basic Aikido. Okay? The next is how to blend, how to control, how to lead. Ready? The entering, blending, leading, and controlling without pinning. Ready? Hey! Yan na lang po ang ina-exercise. Go! Hey! Move! Move! Okay, ganyan po kami mag-develop ng bata. Pati yung matatanda, gano'n. Okay. And the last part is pinning. Ready? Sayo Wasa. The exercise of Sayo Wasa. Ready? Hey! Move! Run! Now, pin! Hey! Kaya po, pinapractice namin yung back roll, front roll. Once more. Ready? Hey! Good. Okay, thank you very much. Palakpakan po natin yung mga... Ngayon po, ang susunod, ang principles ng Aikido, of course, sabi nga ni Lao Tzu, the art of war. If you can avoid confrontation, very good. If you can negotiate, very good. So, 1 is enough, 2 is too much, 3 is dangerous, 4 is kailangan konfrontasin na. Bata, Yoko na. Baway. Yoko. Ready. Ready na. Get one. Hey. Hey. Go. Okay. After doing that, yung confrontation nga, kung pwede mag-usap, okay lang. Without touching, okay lang. Once more. This time, 2. Okay, ready? Hey! Hey! Yoko! Oh! Hey! Yoko! That's the second principles to confront. The third is, sabi nga, 1 is enough, 2 is too much, 3 is dangerous. Number 3. Ready, Smiley? Ready, P1? Ready? Hey! What? Hello! Hey! Okay. Pag hindi na kaya sa pakiusapan, confrontation. Once more. Ready? Hey! 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 Okay. Next is, pang-apat, ayaw pa rin tumigil ng sigo natin. Ready? Hey! 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 Backroad! Boy! Backroad! Let's see Unagi. Go! Okay. Good. Ready? Okay na? Ganun po ang principles to avoid conflict. Pwede mag-usap-usap. Let's love nature. Okay, ma'am, please. Malakpakan po natin yung nag-perform. Okay, ma-proceed na po kami sa different arts ng of nerve, artery, in vein. It is called catatetory EQ. Nag-perform po si Ira. I call her Smiling kasi palatawa yan sa no joke. Of course, si PY